while evacuating. Use the stairs and do not use the elevators. Never re-enter your building unless you are given the green light by the authority. Walk at a fast pace and objects that are wood.
How's the orientation so far?
Phones,
Good,
such
good.
as landlines,
Inaantok
can
na
only
ako.
be
Inaantok
used
na
by
daw siya.
authorized
3 hours
university
kasi
personnel.
tulog, ganun.
Don't check yourself
Kaya,
and your companions
kumusta
for
yung
any injuries
orientation?
sustained.
Kumusta the energy?
If ever you are trapped inside an elevator,
Wala
press the
na.
alarm button to notify the people
Literal
outside
at
and
physical.
immediately
Asan yung ibang gamit mo, Hana? Go, guys! Quick ano?
This next cheer, this one is called Viva. Dito sa cheer na to, gagawa lang tayo ng malaking
DS Talcat UST, minor in architecture! Yes, Julia!
Wow! Galing! Ang cute ng bakam! Sige, smile! 1, 2, 3...
Tips to help you navigate your first year with confidence.
Hoy guys! Group up! Aligo pa!
Ng Tolls Hope, yung nagpapaasa sa wala, at higit sa lahat, yung sa nagpapaasa sa parang meron.
saan mo ang mga pagsubok. Di mabiyak na mga bagyo.
Any message to our freshmen? Hi, Tuasha.
Di ata maririnig! Hi! Hi guys! Say hi to the vlog! Guys, nasira yung yung stick. Oh? Yeah! Like no joke, nasira siya. So ano to? Hand? Handheld? Ano ba? Hindi, okay lang to. Guys, gabi na! My God! Di ko na-notice eh! Bakit gabi na? Saya! Ang saya! Okay. Video reaction. How was your walk in the ark?
It's a walk in the park.
It's a walk in the park. Okay. Grabe.
Ayan, sama mo.
Pagod na ako, be.
Pati doon sa harap para kasama si
Ay. Take to. Yes. Walang light, ganda na views namin, oh.
Yes. Thank you, guys.
Grabe. Thank you, guys. Behind the scenes of our Muse and the crew team. Wow, the Muse department. Grabe.
Pagod na kami, guys.